In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print pay stubs from QuickBooks for vendors. We'll walk through the exact clicks, explain what each choice means, and share a few practical tips so your pay stubs print cleanly and show the right information. Even though this lives under the employees area, the same workflow applies if you process payments to contractors through payroll. Start by opening the Payroll Center. At the top of your QuickBooks window, open the Employees menu and choose Payroll Center. This hub is where you manage payroll tasks, view recent payroll activity, and access tools related to paychecks and stubs. Inside the Payroll Center, move to the Pay Employees tab. This tab focuses on paycheck-related actions, which is why the print option you need is located here. Next, select Print Pay Stubs. A window will appear asking for a bank account and a date range. Pick the bank account you used when you ran the payroll. This is important because QuickBooks filters stubs based on the account tied to those paychecks. Then set your date range. Choose the exact payroll pay date or the full pay period you want to capture. If you're not seeing what you expect, broaden the date range slightly to include a day before and after the period. When those filters look right, click OK. You'll now see a list of employees or payees with matching stubs. Check the boxes next to the people whose pay stubs you want to print. Take a quick moment to verify names, pay dates, and the count of stubs, especially if you're printing a batch. When you're confident the selection is correct, click Print. In the printer dialog, choose the printer you want to use and confirm your paper settings. Letter size is recommended and tends to align best with standard layouts. If you're testing a new printer or a different paper stock, print a single stub first to confirm alignment and readability. Then proceed with the full batch. Each pay stub includes gross pay, deductions, taxes, net pay, and year-to-date totals. These details help recipients understand how their payment was calculated and provide a clean audit trail. Before you distribute or file them, give one a quick glance to confirm dates, company details, and totals look accurate. If a stub doesn't appear, double-check that you selected the correct bank account and pay date. You can also try widening the date range. For digital records, many print dialogs offer a Save as PDF option, which is handy for